Hey folks, I'm HP and this is Dr. Pink, and today I'm going to talk about my psychological improvisation concept. So, what's the psychological improvisation concept? The basis of this improvisation concept is that you create pictures, emotions through music on the guitar in your improvisation. Instead of you playing licks, you try to express a picture, a color, an emotion, or whatever, and don't form too much, not play one lick after each other, because this is, I want to play the Van Halen lick, I want to play Santana lick, this is cool. No, you play your own style, you create your own emotions, and this works for every level, even for beginners. So, I gave a little example. I have a little rock track here. So, with one note we can create different emotions. Let's play this one note. Or this little lick. So, now I want to express the emotion of coolness or smoothness. So I make it like this. Again, smooth and cool. Now playing the same thing. Let's play being some kind of furious. Same track, other emotion. Or I can pull it more to extremes, like with a wah-wah. As an example here, I overbend it. I'm playing A minor pentatonics here. The track is in A minor. Through the overbending, I create this emotion of disconnection, of being really over the top, and think about stuff like that when you improvise, not about I want to play this or this lick, and that's another way it works. And to get in a flow of playing, you really have to try to create your own emotions, your own pitches, feel comfortable with it, try to develop a little story which you want to tell while you're playing. You don't need to play many notes. Most of my students, if not to say all my students, play too many notes. Why? Because I think they have to play a lot of notes, but that's not the point of making music. The point of making music is that you create pictures, emotions, stories, and not through licks, through pictures, emotions, and stories. So focus on playing pictures. Let's take an example now. I'm going to play the color dark blue. So it's going to sound different. You can also put another type here, melancholic. Yeah. Then try to swift emotions. At the end, it became more dramatic. Try to focus on stuff like that. And the interesting thing is, when you start to focus on that, you start to play different. You suddenly get in a flowing experience while playing. Even you don't know you never played this exactly lick before, but it doesn't matter because it was part of the emotion you want to create. Maybe at the beginning it won't be easy to change your perspective of music, but the more you train this, I mean, when I play, I just pull out stories, like I play this, please. Like sometimes I just play one story, get more dramatic, soft it down, and I don't really know exactly which licks I'm playing. I don't, honestly, I don't care. I just play colors, pictures, whatever, and that's how it works. And really, I know what I'm talking about. I tried the other way, and I practiced over 10 years, up to 16 hours daily, and you reach a certain point of playing, but you will not get so deep into music if you don't connect with what you're doing. And that you do with connect your playing with your personal emotions. And that is by doing these associations, this feeling, and associate what you're playing with emotions, whatever. Yeah, that's the basis of my psychological improvisation concept. Now, if you want to try your own, this track is in A minor. The backing track can be downloaded in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. This one I give is for free. You just have to join the Students Club there. You can also post your recording of this song or any other song and describe the pictures you wanted to play, and see if people think it's what you wanted to play, that the same story gets recognized by people who listen to it, or then only by you. This is the next step. Play in a way that people have a chance of getting an idea what you're playing. Yeah, but this is a different perspective or perception of music, or a perception of playing. Really, I mean, I know my channel is called HPCrazy. It's not a crazy idea. It's a serious psychological concept of association, and also color therapy, like how it's called in English. I don't know the English words now. Kinesiology in German, kinesiology. Think about stuff like that, and it's also not an esoteric way. It's a different type of having a perception of music and playing. And it really makes sense because you get more connected to what you're playing. This is also the basis of my master degree which I offer. That is really the focus on this psychological aspect of music. It's more authentic, more music. Music is about emotions than about playing licks. Nobody listens a concert because they want to hear fast runs. They want to hear fast runs because the person who plays it really means it and has an emotional expression with it, and that's what it's about. Yeah, check it out. The backing track, as I said, can be downloaded on the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you want to make your own posts about this, you can do it there. Start a discussion with other students there. It's really cool. And yeah, think about this. Serious. I mean, this is now a serious talk. Normally I made a lot of jokes on my channel. This is now a really serious talk. Yeah, check it out.